What steps can I take to prevent my tankless water heater from freezing during winter?
Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today, we'll be discussing an important topic: how to prevent your tankless water heater from freezing during the winter months. Freezing temperatures can pose a significant risk to your tankless water heater, potentially leading to damage and costly repairs. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some practical steps you can take to keep your water heater safe and functional. So let's dive right in.
Understanding the risks.
Before we jump into preventive measures, let's quickly go over why tankless water heaters are susceptible to freezing. Unlike traditional water heaters, which store and heat a large volume of water, tankless water heaters heat water on demand as it flows through the unit. This means there is no reservoir of heated water to protect the system from freezing. When temperatures drop, the lack of constant water flow can lead to ice formation, causing damage to the internal components of the water heater.
Insulating the water heater.
One effective step to prevent freezing is to insulate your tankless water heater. Insulation helps to retain heat and maintain the temperature of the water and the internal components. You can use a specially designed insulation blanket or wrap the unit with insulation material. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's guidelines and recommendations for insulation, as improper insulation can hinder ventilation and create safety hazards.
Ensuring proper ventilation.
Proper ventilation is crucial for the safe operation of a tankless water heater. During winter, it's essential to keep the area around the water heater well ventilated. Check the vents regularly to ensure they are not blocked by snow, ice, or any other obstructions. Blocked vents can lead to a buildup of exhaust gases, which is not only harmful but can also cause the water heater to shut down. Clear any obstructions promptly to maintain proper ventilation.
Adding heat tracing.
Another effective preventive measure is to add heat tracing to vulnerable areas of your tankless water heater. Heat tracing is a system that provides a controlled amount of heat to prevent freezing. You can install heat tracing cables or tapes along the water lines, pipes, and other exposed areas. These cables can be thermostatically controlled, ensuring they activate only when the temperature drops to a certain level. Remember to follow the manufacturer's instructions and consult a professional if needed.
Draining the system.
If you plan to be away from your home for an extended period during winter, it's advisable to drain your tankless water heater to prevent freezing. Water left inside the unit can freeze and cause damage. Before draining the system, ensure the power and gas supply to the water heater are turned off. Connect a hose to the drain valve, open it, and let the water flow out until the system is completely empty. Once you return, remember to flush the system and check for any leaks before using it again. And that's a wrap for today's video on preventing your tankless water heater from freezing during winter. We covered some essential steps you can take to protect your water heater from the potentially damaging effects of freezing temperatures. Remember to insulate your water heater, ensure proper ventilation, consider adding heat tracing, and drain the system if you'll be away. By following these preventive measures, you can keep your tankless water heater in good working condition and enjoy a reliable supply of hot water all winter long. Stay warm and safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.